Abbreviations of liberation science terms. AACR Anglo-American Cataloging Rules. ASL American Association of School Libraries. ABCD Automation of Libraries and Centers of Documentation. ACI Anteriorizing Common Isolates. ACRL Association of College and Research Libraries. AGRIS International System for Agriculture Science and Technology. AI Artificial Intelligence. ALA American Library Association. ALP Advancement of Librarianship in the Third World Program. ANSI American National Standards System. ANJIL Australian and New Zealand Institute for Information Literacy. ARPA Advanced Research Project Agency. ASK Anomalous State of Knowledge. BARC Baba Atomic Research Center. BBS Bulletin Board System. BLAZE British Library Automated Library Service. BNB British National Bibliography. BPP Books Presentation Program. BSI British Standards Institution. BUBL Bulletin Board for Libraries. Calibre Convention on Automation of Libraries in Education and Research Institutions. CAST Chemical Abstract Service. CCC Classified Catalog Code. CCF Common Communication Format. CD Compact Desk. CD-ROM Compact Desk Read Only Memory. CDS Computerized Documentation System. ESIS Integrated Set of Information System. CIP Cataloging in Publication. COMLA Commonwealth Library Association. CPL Central Processing Unit. CRG Classification Research Group. CURL Consortium of University Research Libraries. DBMS Database Management Systems. DCMI Dublin Core Metadata Initiative. DDC Dewey Decimal Classification. DELNET Developing Library Network. DECIDOC Defense Science Information Documentation Center. DNS Domain Name System. DOR Digital Object Identifier. DOS Disk Operating System. DRDO Defense Research Development Organization. DRTC Documentation Research and Training Center. DSP Digital Signal Processor. DSS Decision Support System. DTP Desktop Publishing. EAD Encoded Archival Description. EB EXAbyte. FID International Federation for Information and Documentation. FORSA Forum for Resource Sharing in Astronomy and Astrophysics. FRBR Functional Requirements for Bibliographic Records. GB Gigabyte. GUI Graphical User Interface. HELENET Health Sciences Library and Information Network. HTML Hypertext Markup Language. IEA International Atomic Energy Agency. IASLIC the Indian Association of Special Libraries and Information Center. IATLIS Indian Association of Teachers of Library and Information Sciences. IFLA International Federation of Library Association and Institutions. IIB Institute of International Bibliographies. ILA Indian Library Association. IL Inter-Library Loan. IM Information Management. IMC, International Meeting of Cataloging Experts.